Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make a carrot curry with coconut. It is super easy, this one, and really, really delicious, healthy, vegetarian, and of course vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got carrots here, 4 cups. I've cut them in that fashion. You can cut them smaller, larger, it's up to you. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of coconut milk, fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, fantastic. I know a lot of you can't, but try and get hold of them. If not dried, nothing else is like them, so you can't really replace it. The big 4, always call this the big 4 if you're a regular to the show. So 2 teaspoons of chili, and then 1 turmeric, coriander, and cumin. 4 green cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, tablespoon ginger garlic paste. So in there I've got 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil. We're heating that up. We're on an above medium heat. We're going to start off by dropping in the cumin seeds, just 1 teaspoon, and 4 of the green cardamom. To that we're going to add our curry leaves, like a sort of tablespoon there roughly, and just let the heat run through that for a few seconds. It will infuse that oil. Don't skip this stage, it really makes a big difference. And then we're going to add 1 cup onion, and we're going to go for 4 minutes. Brilliant stuff. Right, next up, the carrots. Let's get them in. Like I said, I've cut them in this fashion. You can cut them however you want. To that we're going to add some salt. Above medium heat, we're going to go now for about 5 or 6 minutes, stirring every now and then. Fabulous stuff. Now I didn't add the ginger garlic paste earlier, which I normally would, because I don't want to burn it in there because we've just been frying it away, but we're going to get it in now. Tablespoon of ginger garlic. Throw that around a little bit. Then we're going to add our spices. Like I said, if you want, you could just use a curry powder you might have, but always find this better. You've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 of cumin, coriander, and turmeric. In that goes. And again, we're staying on this above medium heat. Gonna just throw this around in the pan. Beautiful. Then we're going to go for a cup of coconut milk. In that goes. We're now going to reduce the heat down to below medium. Stirring often. We're going to go for 3 to 4 minutes. This is done. It's super, super easy. Super, super, super fab. Off goes the heat. Cilantro, coriander, a little bit in there. Give that a mix. I see it at the table. Beautiful. And there she blows. Absolutely wonderful that is. Great with rice, great on its own, great with some roti or naan or some bread like that. Really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.